So friends, welcome back to our channel LearnWidGiggs. Whenever we think to work or do a transition in any domain, the first thing that comes to our mind is how much I will be paid on an average in that domain or in that particular skill. What will be the highest salary I can think of in my experience range and what is its scope, right? So today I will tell you all what is the average salary of a data analyst and a data engineer in India as per different experience ranges, the technical skills involved in it, and at the last I would also tell you what should you do if you are about to start your career in data analytics domain as per the current market situation. So do watch the video completely. Okay, so let's start the video, and if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the coming useful videos. Okay, so let us first see what is the average salary of a data analyst and a data engineer as per 0 to 2 years experience range. And as a fresher, we are always very excited what will be our salary if we are moving to a data analyst role or if we are moving to a data engineer role. So the freshers who are watching this video will be able to get the right idea of the expected salary in data analytics domain. Okay, so let's see the first one, 0 to 2 years experience range. Okay, so for a data analyst, the minimum salary is 3.2 LPA and the maximum salary is 5.5 LPA on an average that we have seen in 0 to 2 years experience range. So if you are getting less than 3.2 LPA, then you should negotiate with your HR. Okay, definitely you should negotiate it because this is the average salary that people are getting. Okay, 3.2 to 5.5 LPA. And if I talk about a data engineer, so that is 3.5 LPA to 6 LPA. Okay, it is slightly higher than the data analyst. You will get to know why it is slightly higher in few minutes. Okay, now moving on to 2 to 4 years experience range. Okay, let's see now what is the salary of a data analyst. So it is 4.2 LPA to 11 LPA. So this is the average salary of a data analyst, and if you move to data engineer, it is 5 LPA to 12 LPA. Okay, so this is all about 2 to 4 years of experience range. Okay, and this is the most common experience range, 2 to 4 years, in which people switch normally. Okay, so you should be fully aware of what is the average salary in this experience range if you are switching the job. Okay, now moving on to the next experience range, that is 4 to 6 years of experience range. So here you will find people getting on an average 8 lakhs per annum to the maximum 17 lakhs per annum. So this is the average salary of a data analyst in this experience range. And if I talk about data engineer, it is 8.5 lakhs per annum to 19 lakhs per annum. Okay, still slightly higher than a data analyst. Okay, now this is all about the experience ranges. For different experience ranges, different salaries. It is now clearly visible to you now. Now what are the skills involved in a data analyst and a data engineer role? Okay, let's see now that. So for a data analyst, the main skills are Excel, SQL, Power BI or Tableau. So you have to master these three, and if you have mastered these three, then definitely you can become a data analyst. And if I talk about data engineer, so for data engineer, it is ADLS, that is Azure Data Lake Storage. I am talking about Azure Data Engineer. So ADLS, it is Azure Data Lake Storage. Second one is ADF, that is Azure Data Factory. Third one is Databricks, Azure Databricks, and the last is Python. So as you can see on the screen, the salary of a data engineer is slightly higher than the data analyst in every experience range. And this is only because it is slightly more technical than a data analyst. Because here you have to know one language, that is Python. Because in Databricks, PySpark is used where usage of Python will be there. So you should have a basic or a basic to moderate level knowledge in Python, then you will be able to handle or run Databricks. So that's why due to more technicality, data engineers are getting slightly higher salary packages than a data analyst. Okay, now the most important thing, what you should do. Should you go for data analyst role or should you go for a data engineer role? So as per the current market situation, the amount of competition for a data analyst is huge in number. But for a data engineer, the competition is very less. So if I have posted a vacancy for a data analyst role, and hypothetically suppose I got 50 responses, 50 resumes for that role, for that vacancy, and at the same time if I post a vacancy for a data engineer, I will get only 10 responses, max to max 10 responses. So the competition is very less in a data engineer role. So that's why if you are preparing data engineering skills as per the current situation, you are easily getting the job as compared to the data analyst people. So this is my final conclusion on this. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now what exactly is the average salary, what is the technical skills required, and what you should go for as per the current situation. Okay, so please share the video to all your friends and colleagues whoever are in need of this, and thanks for watching the video.